Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create auto captions in CapCut. So here I've already on CapCut and I'm going to click on new project and choose a video. Okay, I'm going to choose this one's right here. So for to use the auto caption, please make sure that your video has like audio in it or like narrations in it, like my video in here.
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you
Okay, so this is actually my tutorial video, and if your video doesn't have an audio, you can just click on audio and then start recording like maybe your own voice, or you can also add extracted from a video or the other sounds. But if it's already has a sound, if you want to create auto caption, you can just click on text, and then here you can see there is auto captions. Just click on that and then choose original sound and select the language. Maybe if the language of your video is not English, you can just choose from one of this, and then you can just go back, and then here if there is a current subtitle, you can also choose to clear the current subtitle, and after that you can just click on start and let the CapCut do its magic. Okay, so just wait until it's finished. Okay, now you see at the bottom of the video, you'll see there is a captions automatically created by CapCut, and let's see if it's aligned with the sound of the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a static.
Okay, so you can see, I think the auto caption on CapCut, it's like really good. It's aligned with the sound, and it's also has a perfect timing. So if you can just make some edit, you can edit the styles, the font like this, or you can also make it bigger. For example, you can add some effects, fonts and style. You can also add some stroke like this.
But if you're satisfied with the result, you can just click on the check icon, and then you can just export your videos to your gallery. Okay guys, so that is how you can create auto captions in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.